Right, so a warm welcome to you. I've brought you another set of question tags. Let's call this one part 2. Yeah. And so the first one reads, Mr. Zimba shall not talk to him. Mr. Zimba shall not talk to him. So you realize that this sentence is negative. Okay, this sentence is 100% negative. We have the word shall. After the word shall, you realize that there is the word not. Mr. Zimba shall not talk to him. So, like I said last time, you look at the potential prepositions. All right? Here, the word to, but you never see a question tag with the word to inside. So the only option here is the word shall. And then you ask yourself a question like, so is this sentence in positive or negative form? You realize that it's in negative form. So you write your question tag in positive form. Okay, Mr. Zimba shall. So you write the word shall. Now, since the sentence is already in negative form, you don't write the word not, whether in its short form or long form. It's already in negative. The sentence is already in negative, so no need to write the word not on T. No need. You simply say shall, and then you ask yourself again, is Mr. Zimba a female or male? Definitely male. So you say, shall he? Mr. Zimba shall not talk to him, comma, shall he? All right, shall he? Number 2, you will leave today. You will leave today. You will leave today. All right? So the key word there, if you check very well, is the word will. You will leave today. All right? So you check very well, this sentence is in positive form because of the absence of the word not. This sentence doesn't have the word not, hence it's positive already. So writing the question tag, you are going to make sure that your question tag is in negative form. So you get the word will, and then you make sure that the question tag is negative. How do you write a negative? You introduce the word not, but in its short form, which is in T, N apostrophe T, in T. Yes. So it will be won't, but that won't make sense. You simply say won't. You will leave today, won't. And then you say, won't you? You will leave today, won't you? Because it was already in positive form. So now writing the question tag, you simply introduce the word will and the word not in its short form, which is in T, N apostrophe T. So instead of saying won't, you say won't, won't you? Yes. Number 3, she will not be driving. She will not be driving. So you check very well. This sentence is already in negative form because of the word not. So you extract the word will. All right. Now the question tag will not possess the negative part. The reason being the original sentence is in negative form already. Okay, the original sentence is in negative form already. So no need to introduce the negative, to the question tag. Yes, so she will not be driving. So you get the word will, and then she. So no need for nt, no need for not. You simply say, will she? She will not be driving. Will she? Number 4, we must go to school now. We must go to school now. You check very well. This sentence is already in positive form. It's already in its positive form. which means the question tag has to be negative. It has to be negative form. All right? So what is the keyword there? Is it go? No. Have you ever seen a question tag with the word go inside? No. No. So the keyword there is must. Okay? Now, since the sentence is already in its positive form, the question tag will be in its negative form. So you say must not. Must not. Now, not should be in its short form. It will be in T. So it will be must in T. But wait. So instead of saying must in T, you say mustn't. You cut these two words like mustn't. M-U-S-N apostrophe T. Mustn't. Mustn't we? You get the point, right? Mustn't we? Mustn't we? We must go to school now. Mustn't we? Number 5, the students at Horizon School will have gone home by 17 hours. The students at Horizon School will have gone home by 1700 hours. So if you check verb war, the only possible word there, the only potential word you check verb war, it's the word will. And you realize that the sentence is already in positive form. So you're going to convert it into negative form. The question tag will be negative. So you say, won't they? Because students are many, right? So you say, won't they? Yes. The students at Horizon School will have gone home by 17 hours. Won't they? 6, it could be done. All right? It could be done. It could be done. All right? It could be done. All right? So what could be the question tag there? First of all, you have to choose the word to use. Do you use the word done? No. Do you use the word be? No. Do you use the word eat? No. Okay. Yeah, we're going to use the word eat, but not in the first part. Use the word could. You write the word could. And now you realize that this sentence is already in what? In positive form. So take it into negative form. So it would be could not, but short form would be couldn't. Okay? Couldn't it? Okay? It could be done, comma, couldn't it? Alright? Not couldn't be, just say couldn't it? Couldn't it? Which means the short form of could not it. Couldn't it? Number 7, I mustn't. Okay, I mustn't be late. I mustn't be late. You realize that the key word there is must, and they have already written it's negative, right? It's already in negative form. Yes, it's already in negative form because of the presence of N, apostrophe, and T. Mustn't. Mustn't is the short form of must not. Okay, mustn't is the short form of must not. So it's simply I must not be late. Okay, I must not be late. So now you realize that the key word there is must. The key word is the word must, and it's in negative form. So the question tag will not have the negative. Okay, it will simply be positive. So you write the word must, and then you write the letter I. Must I? I mustn't be late, comma, must I? I mustn't be late, must I? Number 8, it's rather more interesting. Close the door. Close the door. Number 8 reads, close the door. So you realize that this one, there is no potential word here. There is no keyword. This type is a command. When you are being told to do something, it's a command. So sentences that come in form of a command, all right? Sentences that come in form of, a command. Do you know how to write their question tag? You simply say, will you? Stop making noise. Will you? It's a command. Close the door. Will you? Same applies to number 9. Clean your teeth. It's like you're commanding somebody to do something. Clean your teeth. Will you? Right? Will you? Clean your teeth. Will you? Number 10. She will not have visited the patient by Friday this week. She will not have visited the patient by Friday this week. She will not have visited the patient by Friday this week. So you check very well, the keyword is will, and the sentence is already in negative form. So you write your question tag but not in negative, because the original sentence already has the word not, which means the negative. So you simply say, will she? She will not have visited the patient by Friday this week, comma, will she? Thank you very much for your time, and please do come for my WhatsApp tuitions.